Just jump right into O's and I hit the tab. You can pay me off just a little at a time. Hell, once a month, man, be just fine. I bought me an O for no money down, which worked out good cause I'm the brokest guy now. I got no job and I got no stash. Now the Gila man wanting me to pay him some cash, but I ain't worried and I ain't afraid. I always get by, you know, I always got it made. The dealer man came just to kiss my ass, cause he'll never catch me unless I run out of gas. Well, I missed the first payment and all of the rest. Style the repo man trying to do his best, so I gotta